Hi, I'm Rhiannon and I'm here to talk to you about the best paper to choose for your craft, scrapbooking, design and painting needs. With the right paper, you can craft to your heart's content and capture memories, express your creativity or create personalised cards and invitations. Let's jump right into how to choose your paper. When choosing paper, think about the weight of the paper or cardstock, which is measured using the letters GSM, which stands for grams per square metre. Higher GSM means the paper or card is heavier, thicker and more durable, and is often associated with luxury projects or card making. Standard printer paper is usually 80 to 90 GSM. If you're creating greeting cards, look for paper around 300 GSM. You've probably used A3 and A4 sized paper quite regularly. But when you're crafting or making art, it can be helpful to have a stack of different sizes to choose from. The largest size is A1 and every size that comes after it is half of the one before it. You can find paper with pre-printed patterns or colours, or with special textures that give a creative edge to your projects. Added effects like shiny foil or rough burlap can add interest and create a mood to your project. Die-cut shapes and stencils can be used to create interesting patterns and 3D shapes. When you're painting, it's good to find paper that doesn't make your paint bleed, or sheets that your pencils and pens can glide across smoothly. Drawing or painting on white paper means your colours will pop. If you're drawing with black or white pencils or using charcoal, you could also play around with different coloured surfaces. Dark paper can look stunning with an intricate chalk drawing on top. Tracing paper, which is transparent, is a useful tool when you want to duplicate the same shape or want to learn how to draw from a magazine or book. You can buy specialty artist paper by the sheet or in bound books, sketch pads or visual diaries, which are cheaper if you need large quantities of paper. Look at the finish of the paper. Is it rough or smooth? Rough is good for catching runny paints, while smooth paper gives you a nice surface to write on. Experiment with different papers and drawing or painting tools. Some will work brilliantly together, but some might not. The paper you choose is a personal preference, but it also comes down to whether the paper makes your pigment bleed or lose colour, or if your paper warps. Look for archival quality paper, which will preserve the quality of your artwork so it doesn't fade or degrade over time. When you're creating custom stationery or personalised greeting cards, you want your finished design to be beautiful, luxurious and high quality. Choose heavier cardstocks in a variety of finishes such as flocking, and embellish the front of your cards with decals, stickers, ribbon and beautiful calligraphy or hand lettering. Let your child's imagination run wild and provide them with plenty of paper that they can fold, cut, scrunch or use as a canvas for drawing or painting. Pads of coloured sheets or pieces of construction paper are great for kids, as they give them the freedom to create and express themselves on paper. Pads come with a variety of complementary patterns and colours, so they can create almost anything that comes into their imaginations. Origami paper lets them fold cute shapes they can share with their friends or use to decorate their rooms. Thick cardstock is perfect for little fingers, as they'll be able to pick it up and cut shapes easily. You can add detail and precision with a set of papercraft tools. Watch our other videos for more information on what tools you can use, but for now, here's a quick look. Punches allow you to create small or large shapes over and over. You can get simple round hole punches for paper or cellophane circles, or ones that let you cut out flowers, butterflies and more. There's a few tools you can use to cut shapes or trim your paper down to size. Sharp scissors are great for unusual lines, or a paper cutter or guillotine gives you a long, straight line easily. An edger is a decorative hole punch that can provide a beautiful edge to your paper. Look for lace patterns or more minimal wavy lines in all different sizes. Chipboard letters are easy ways to add interest with pre-made cutouts and 3D shapes. Photo protectors are archival quality plastic protectors that mean your photos won't deteriorate, so you can keep your memories safe. If you have any questions or want to see our range of paper for yourself, drop into a Spotlight store or visit us online at spotlightstores.com.